Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D,
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay,
E,
my fair lady.
F,
Wood and clay will wash away,
G,
wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel,
H.
iron and steel. Build
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow.
A is for apple.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
A is for ant.
London Bridge is falling down.
A is for antlers, on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's trace and paint them together. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. I for Indian, I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam, J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo, K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder, L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey, M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail, N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus, O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint, P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question, Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio, R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's trace and paint them together. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. S for saw. S for snake. S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe, X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. V for vacuum. V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.